In this video, we will learn synthetic division. Synthetic division is a special case from long division, okay? Synthetic division doesn't work for all cases. It works when f of x over g of x. Both of them are polynomials, okay? So g of x is the divisor, right? G of x must have the form as follows. G of x equals x plus a. A is real number. Here coefficient of x is 1, okay? If coefficient of x is not 1, the method will not work. I will show you why it will not work if the coefficient is not 1. Now let's solve this example, okay? Now you write like this. And you solve x plus a equals 0. You get x equals minus a. In our case, we have x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals minus 1. So you put here minus 1 and put like this. Now coefficients of f of x, the dividend, okay? X cubed plus 6x squared minus 9x minus 14. Coefficient of x cubed is 1. Coefficient of x squared is 6. Coefficient of x is minus 9. And then you write the constant term, minus 14. Now, here you put 1 down and multiply. We have x plus a equals 0, right? So x equals minus a. You multiply diagonally by minus a. Minus a in our case is minus 1. So we get here minus 1. Then you add vertically, okay? You get 5. Again, multiply by minus 1. You get minus 5. Add now, you get minus 14. Multiply by minus 1, you get 14. You get 0. Okay? So this is the result. Now, why this? Let's write the question first and then explain why this method works. The quotient will be x squared plus 5x minus 14. See here, we started with polynomial with degree 3. Degree 3, right? So when you divide by polynomial with degree 1, you will subtract the degree 1. Okay? You will subtract 1 from the degree. So you get quadratic polynomial with degree 2. So our result here containing 1, 5 minus 14, it will be quadratic. Okay? So you write x squared plus 5x minus 14. Let's check the answer and then explain the method. Why does it work? Now, to check, just multiply. So x plus 1. I will solve another example so it's clearer. X squared plus 5x minus 14. Now, x times x squared, x cubed. Do we have another term here in x plus other than x? First, I multiplied x by x squared, so x cubed. 1 times anything here, will it be x cubed? No. So just we have 1 x cubed. Let's go to x squared. Here we have 5x squared. Here we have x squared. So x squared plus 5x squared, we have 6x squared, like this. Now, for x to the power 1. So 1 times 5x, 5x, minus 14x, minus 9x. Now constant term. The constant term, minus 14 times 1, minus 14. So our answer is correct. Okay? Now we want to explain why this method works. Why does this method work? Just see the long division. See here. F of x over, let's write it x plus a. Okay? I will show you now the long division. And why coefficient of x must be 1. So put here x plus a. Assume f of x equals a n x to n. I will write more terms, but I need space. Yes, like this. Plus a n minus 1 x to n minus 1 plus until you reach a1x plus a0. a0 is the constant. Okay, so we have polynomial with which has n degree. Okay, let's write it here: an x to n plus an minus 1 x to n minus 1 plus plus a1x plus a0. Let's divide now. Here you have an x to n minus 1. Okay, so an x to n plus an x to n minus 1. Now subtract. You will have now an x to n minus an to n 0. An minus 1 x to n minus 1 minus an x to n minus 1 equals an minus 1 minus an x to n minus 1 plus a1x plus a0. Okay, see here, let's see synthetic division again. First, you put coefficient, the first coefficient you put it down. See here, it's an, the original coefficient, and you subtract 1 from the original degree. So this is the first coefficient. Then here you put an, then you subtract. Someone may ask, but you added above. I added because I multiplied here I multiplied it above by minus 1. So it's minus a is put here, so I added. But if I put a, it's subtraction. Okay, so it's the same process. So here we have, so this one here is an, this one here is an minus 1. An minus 1 will be here, this a times an. Okay, and so you can understand synthetic division from here. Now you want to ask me about the problem if the coefficient is not 1 of x. Let's see. Again, an x to n plus an minus 1 x to n minus 1 plus a1x plus a0. Now put here bx plus c, and b is not 1. Long division will work, but let's see why synthetic division will not work. If you want to work using synthetic division, you need to fix the problem. See here, an x to n divided by bx, it's an over b x to n minus 1. See here, it's an over b, not an. So we have coefficient 1 because the first coefficient, we put it down as it is. But now, you need to divide it by b. Okay? Now, let's go to the next step. Multiply now. You have an x to n plus an times c over b. X to n minus 1. So, an over b x to n minus 1 times c is an c b over b x to n minus 1. Now, when you subtract, you get an minus 1 minus an c over b x to n minus 1. Okay, so you don't have, if b equals 1, synthetic division is correct if b equals 1. But here you see the problem now. How to fix this problem? Let me show you how to fix it. If you are insisted in using synthetic division, let me show you. F of x over bx plus c, right? Take b as common factor. You have 1 over b times f of x over x plus c over b. Okay. So now you can use synthetic division if you want to use it. And now let's solve another example. For example, x cubed plus x squared plus 9 divided by x minus 3. Okay, but let's put the parentheses to make it clearer. So x minus 3 equals 0. You solve for it. X equals 3. So put the 3 here. Okay. Now put the coefficients of this polynomial, x cubed plus x squared plus 9. Coefficient of x cubed is 1. Coefficient of x squared is 1. Coefficient of x is 0. Now the constant term, I mean, 9. Now put this one down, 1. Then multiply by 3, 3. Okay. Then add. Okay, you get 4. Multiply by 3, 12. Add, you get 12. Multiply by 3, 36. Add, you get 45. So our result is x squared plus 4x plus 12. Okay, this is our quotient. Someone may ask, what is this 45? This 45 is the remainder. Okay, so 45, this here is remainder. To check our result, let's multiply. We have x minus 3 times x squared plus 4x plus 12. Okay, plus 45. This should be equal to our original polynomial x cubed plus x squared plus 9, if my answer is correct. Let's calculate. So here equals x cubed minus 3x squared, x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x squared. Okay. We also have now x term. So plus 12x minus 12x minus 36 plus 45. The constant term is 9 plus 9. 0x. 1x squared plus x cubed. So x cubed plus x squared plus 9. Is it true? Yes, it's true. X squared, I mean x cubed plus x squared plus 9. So this is synthetic division. Okay. I need to solve another example. Let me show you example when the coefficient of x is not 1 and you want to use synthetic division. For example, let's have x squared, okay, 2x squared minus 8, okay, divided by 2x minus 4. Okay, let's divide. So this equals, first you can cancel 2 from both of them, because this you can write it as like this: 2x squared minus 8 over 2x minus 4, cancel 2, you get x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. So you get coefficient 1. So this is one of the cases. And here you don't need to do division, because x squared minus 4 is x minus 2, x plus 2. You cancel x minus 2, you get x plus 2.